Before beginning the installation, ensure the rough opening is clean, dry, free of debris, and ready for application. You will need Rissan 430 gray tape, Rissan 430 gray preformed corners, a knife, a squeegee, and a roller to apply pressure to the tape. Start by removing half of the backing from the Rissan 430 gray and apply the tape across the sill and 6 inches up each jamb. Make sure to apply pressure to the tape to ensure proper adhesion. Next, trim the excess material along the jambs on each side. Remove the rest of the backing. Fold the flap out onto the sheathing and use a squeegee to install. Finish with a roller for optimum adhesion. This is our Rissan 430 gray preformed corner. It is a dimensionally stable PE carrier that resists job site abrasion while remaining formable and pliable. EPDM reinforcement ensures no pinhole. Remove part of the silicone lining and set up the Rissan 430 gray corner on your squeegee. Place the Rissan 430 gray corner into the inside corners, adhering to the jamb before the sill. Squeegee the corner flap up the jamb. Remove the additional liner and adhere to the sill. Remove the backing on the front portion of the corner and adhere to the face of the facade with a squeegee. Roll for optimum adhesion. Repeat these steps with your other corner. Here is how things should look so far. Next, let's prepare the jamb. Cut a piece of Rissan 430 gray tape. Make sure that there is a minimum overlap of 1 inch onto the Rissan corners that you just installed. Adhere the tape to the face of the substrate using firm hand pressure. Roll to adhere. Remove the rest of the backer and apply the tape on the inside of the jamb with a squeegee. Roll the inside jamb to ensure proper adhesion. Repeat this process on the opposite jamb. Now let's prepare our Rissan 430 gray corner for the header, removing the backing for the head side only. Place the corner in the upper corner and squeegee the tape on the inside of the head. Remove the backing and squeegee inside the jamb. Remove the backer and squeegee to the face substrate. Roll the corner to adhere. Repeat these steps on the opposite side. Finally, cut a piece of Rissan 430 gray for the head flashing. Make sure it overlaps the corners a minimum of 1 inch above the top of the corner tape and 1 inch past the sides to achieve the proper perimeter seal. Remove half of the split backing and adhere to the face substrate with firm hand pressure. Remove the rest of the backing and apply pressure with a squeegee and roller to adhere the rest of the tape. Once rolled, use your knife along each jamb to cut the tape. This will allow you to create a flap to fold up inside the head. Squeegee and roll the tape to ensure proper adhesion. Your setup will be complete using Rissan 430 gray tape and pre-formed corners.